What's up, y'all? It's your boy Richie, and I'm here today to show you guys how to clean white BMX tires and white Skyway mags. It can be a pain, but we got a quick and simple, easy way to do it, and I'm going to show you that today. So let's go. So as you can see here on my Haro Master, I've got white tires, and that tends to collect all the dirt and the gunk and the grime on them, and there is a pretty easy solution to clean them, so we're going to show you how to do that real quick. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to flip the bike over, then we're going to take our little sponge, we're going to pour a little bit of the soft scrub into the sponge, kind of rub it together like this so it gets nice and moist and juicy, and then all you do is you just rub it onto the tire, and as you can see already, that's pretty good already. So you just do that around the whole tire, kind of spin it around and rub it on there, and you can see already it really works. I mean, look at that. Filth, clean, filth, clean. It helps if the sponge is slightly damp with water too. It kind of helps to break up the dirt and kind of lifts it at the same time. So I use the more jagged edge to get the main dirt off, and then I flip it around to the smooth edge and kind of sop up the excess there. Nice, nice. Now, as you're going around the tire, it's going to tend to get pretty dirty and pretty gunky in the sponge, so go ahead and rinse it out during the process. You're going to have to rinse it out a couple times. You can see all that yucky stuff coming off there. Then what I usually do is kind of take a paper towel and sort of dry the tire and spin it around a couple times just to soak up any of that excess soap and dirt. But as you can see, I mean, it really gets a lot of the dirt off, and it doesn't come off with just water, and it doesn't really come off with other kinds of cleaners. I've noticed that the soft scrub really gets it off there really good and really thoroughly. Then I'll just take a little bit more of the soap, and I will go around the outer part of the mag as well, and that gets all of that excess brake pad stuff off of the wheel too, and it makes it grip a little bit better and look a lot nicer. So as a comparison, I mean, you could tell it's definitely a lot wider, a lot brighter than this. That's what it looked like before. And that just looks dookie. That looks way better. All right, everybody, that's pretty much it. A little soft scrub with bleach, a little dish sponge, and a paper towel, and your tires will be white and ready to soil once again. Because you know, the minute you take them outside and you roll about 5 inches, 5 feet, they're going to be dirty again. But we try. And if this video helps you out, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will come back with some more handy how-tos. Until then, everybody, it's Radical Richie. Hope you guys have a great day riding. and stay red.